Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome on back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your girl, Sade Boo. I know I don't always have to say that, but sometimes there's new people who come in. So this is, what's today? Tuesday. So we are Sunday, Monday, 3 days after 4th of July. Oh, there's so much going on right now. Rosie's at my mom's house. I'm about to go and get my I'm about to go get my eyebrows done. It's been a while. I washed my hair and just put this on, and yeah. So can we talk about the weather? Oh my god, it's like 62 degrees right now from 100 and something. That's crazy. Oh, and on top of that, my elevator is broke. But I tell you one thing, I would prefer it to be broke while it's 60 something degrees rather than it being broke and it's 103 degrees. So we're about to get these eyebrows done. Then I'm probably gonna go get something to eat. Oh yeah, I haven't told you guys. Should I tell you now? Surprises, surprises. I have 2 surprises. I'll just tell y'all when I'm done. I'll tell y'all when I'm done. Alright. Let's get these brows done. Is she in here? Yes! So they grew in. She be having me on point though. Thank you. She arched here really good, and here she took a little bit too much. I'm not gonna stress about it. I'm not gonna stress about it because it'll grow in and I'll just get it refixed. So but normally I be going crazy over my eyebrows. Anything I get done, but it's not that serious. It's here. It will grow back. Right? Okay. Let's go look for some nails. These look cute. I don't usually do the toes and then the nails. I was looking for like white, but okay, now I'm starting to get hot in here. They got a few new ones, but not a lot. Okay. That's it. Trader Joe's. Looking for sour cream. Caramel flan. Sorry. Caramel flan. Did I try this before? Rice pudding. So yeah, so I never had this before. Cherry pistachio pecan granola. A pack of rice. So I'm gonna make some chili, some organic beans, green pepper, red pepper. I think I need a tomato. Not the other one. Oh god. What?
It's up to you.
No, yeah, but I really do hope that the elevator is fixed by the time I get home. If it's not, because I have to get stuff for tomorrow, but I can't carry that stuff up the stairs. So I don't know how I'm gonna do it. I guess I gotta wait till later. That's fine. Tired. Y'all. I took off that headband and everything. Y'all see my hair? It looks short, but it really did grow a lot. Like, a lot. A lot. Shrinkage is real. So it's just like in these tight, matted curls. But I gotta figure out a way to define that, because I don't mind my hair like this, but the curls need to be more defined. I'm just saying. But y'all, the stairs was freaking a killer. I'm not being dramatic at all. It was a killer. The elevator's still not working. I don't know what is going on. Y'all, it was so, I tell you. Them stairs is no joke. They're no joke. I don't understand. Them stairs are no joke. Whew. Anywho, I'm not about to go through all the stuff I got from Trader Joe's. But I will tell y'all, I got some cherries, some sweet cherries. I got some pineapples. I got tomatoes, beans, rice. I got some chopped meat. I am making chili. I haven't had chili in a while. What else did I get? That's about it. Now, I was supposed to get a few other things because we are going somewhere tomorrow. Just now. So we are going to, let me back this up. Whew. We are going to Wolf Lodge, and that is in the Poconos, and I'm really excited about it. It will only be Royalty, Greg, me, my mom going, and you know, the other kids, they are working, so, and plus they're big. Nobody seems to, I guess when you reach a certain age, you don't really want to hang out with your parents, right? Royalty still wants to hang out with us though. So we're gonna bring her to Great Wolf Lodge. It's a whole inside resort, indoor water park, arcade, all of that stuff. So she should have a ball. And we'll be there for 2 days. I am going to see if I can extend it one more day. But I'm not sure yet. I'm going to see when I get there. I tried to do it online, but it wasn't really like leading me anywhere. So I'm going to just wait till I get there and see what they say. Definitely after this week, after we go to Great Wolf Lodge, I'm definitely going to take a week to just relax. Like not really doing too much. And Yeah, so because we've been outside, but also enjoying ourselves and enjoying our summer. Now I'm gonna get ready to eat my bagel. I went to Davis Bagels to get me a bagel. Y'all know that's my spot. And I'm gonna sit here and relax a little bit. I did buy some nails. I showed you guys. I'm gonna do my nails, my feet, probably a little later. I think I'm also gonna do a facial. And yeah. Oh, and I got a pack. That just went over my head. And I got a pack. Okay. So I have some things to do today. No pressure. One thing at a time. No pressure. So I guess I will just connect back with you guys when I get ready to cook dinner, or by the time dinner is done, because I need a moment right now. I'm gonna take my collagen, put it in my coffee, have my breakfast, and then I'm going to relax. The weather wasn't too bad. It's actually really nice out. It's actually really nice. I had on a sweater and leggings, so yeah. I am really enjoying myself. Like, I really am. And I hope wherever you are enjoying yourself as well. Make the best of it. Whether you got a lot of money, a little money, be creative. Get into your creative bag. Because that's the best thing to do. So, alright, y'all. I see y'all in the field. I'm tired. I gotta show y'all this. My hair really, y'all remember I cut all my hair off. I cut all my hair off, and now it's starting to go back, and it was taking so long, but I just braided down and then I put them clip-ins in, and that's it. But it really did. It really did grow.
I was a graphic designer. I was able to merge the two on Shopify. It just kept growing.
Happy about that it's growing. I'm happy it's growing, because I was like, it's taking forever for my hair to grow back, but it is starting to grow. So I'm happy about that. And yes. So I did use, I washed my hair with some herbal essence, right? Because it said if you're going to use this treatment that I'm about to show y'all, to use a light shampoo, nothing too, you know, with too much going on in it. So I used a regular herbal essence, and I used this extra strength refreshing scalp rosemary mint scalp treatment. Yeah, so while your hair is damp, you just kind of, I parted my hair, it says part your hair in fours, but I parted my hair like piece by piece and just put it on my scalp, and it feels so good. So I say 2 to 3 times a week, which that's what I'm gonna do. And right now I'm about to braid it and then put my clip-ins back on and call it a day. Now I do want to order my Burmese, I believe that's what it's called, my Burmese half a wig, because that's curly hair. I would like to have just another option instead of just wearing my clip-ins. So probably I will put that order in maybe sometime this week. But yeah, so I just wanted y'all to update y'all on that. Let me show y'all the herbal essence I used. This one. Deep Moisture Hydration. Hello Hydration. 2-in-1 shampoo and conditioner. Shampoo plus yeah. So I guess this scent is coconut. Why it's blue, I don't know. But it does smell very good. It does smell very good. So I'm about to braid it up, and yeah, the elevator is working also, y'all, because I received the package, and my neighbor texted me, and I was like, I don't know if I'm going downstairs. I'll wait till Zion comes.
Fireworks, the sound, brought to her. She enjoyed the beauty of the fireworks. She never cried because it's loud in the guy's meat.
The elevator's working. I went downstairs to get my package. Happy about that. Now I could go back downstairs and buy what I need to get from the supermarket and the store, being that we are leaving tomorrow. And yeah. These are really good. The sweet cherries from Trader Joe's. Okay. And I gotta do my nails. And I gotta do my feet. And I gotta pack. It's like not enough time in a day. I'm telling you. Alright, y'all. Let me start somewhere. Put my braids in now. They're not the best. Not that I really care. It doesn't really matter to me. Look at them sticking up. So, yeah, I'm going to tie up my hair. I'm going to go outside. Now get ready to go downstairs and get a few little things. I think I'm going to go to Target. I found little deals over there. Get his chips. Yeah. Because I gotta go to work too. He has to go to work also while I'm gone. So, you know, I want to make sure he have his lunch and all of those things there. Chili is done. White rice done. I already ate already. That's why you see. Chili stains, and it was so good. It was so good. I know I was supposed to record and show y'all my plate, but yeah, this is what my plate looking like. It's been a long day. I still haven't packed yet. Maybe I'll make that a separate video.
He lost all of his hair.
But, and also I didn't tell you that Royalty does not know that we are going. Maybe I did say that, I'm not sure, but she has no idea where we are going tomorrow. She thinks that I'm just picking her and my mom up from the Staten Island ferry, and she just thinks that we're probably gonna find something, you know, light to do. She has no idea. It's a light road trip to somewhere really, really fun and overnight. So I'm excited for my boo. So I gotta make sure I catch that. But I'll also try and do a pack with me video. Alright, you guys.
I didn't know if the sun was gonna come back.
Nails that I'm gonna do. These are the toes.
December to like, I'm not gonna say April. I feel like that's kind of a stretch.
That I'm gonna have on, and these are the nails. You see that kinda? I don't know which ones these are, but I couldn't find the exact match, but I matched these up, and yeah. So this is what I'm gonna get ready to do. When I was washing my hair, I noticed this eyebrow, like my skin was like burning a little bit. I don't know why, but I feel like because she went too far up. You see how hair is thick and hair is thinner. Yeah. Alright. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like up this video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you leave a comment. Make sure you turn on your post notifications so when I post, you can pull up and see what I got going on. And hype this video up.
wasn't bad.
And make sure you leave a comment because I do respond.
Fungal infection. So her hair didn't go through.
I love you guys. I will see you guys in the next vlog. And the voice you hear in the background is my girl Ra from Dami and Ra.
The gristle folding. Her hair.
That's my girl. I see y'all in the next vlog. Love y'all.